Hey guys, it's me, Aiden, and today I'm telling you my fan-made FNAF character, Night Trap, based off of Nightmare. And I'll add in the chat already. And I think it's that and yeah, so this is Night Trap, fan-made FNAF 4 character. And yeah, I guess I'll see you all.